Hello everyone, my name is Jason Matthew and welcome to How to Moodle series of videos. And today we're going to be looking at how to post announcements. Okay, so we are at my course page here. As I scroll down the landing page, there are two forums that you should take note of. There's the Teachers Announcements Forum and then there's the Question and Answer Forum. The Teachers Announcement Forum is where we, the teachers, give at least weekly announcements. The students, it's a forum that goes in one direction only, meaning that it goes from the teacher to the students. The students will not be able to respond to an announcement in that forum. Students should use the question answer forum to ask any general questions about the course. If they have something more personal or private, but then they email you directly. So we click on the Teachers Announcements Forum. And well, in this course, we have groups activated, but we want to send this announcement to all participants. So if you have groups activated in your course, and that won't apply for everyone, you can choose which group you want to send an announcement to, or you can choose all participants. Now, if your course does not have groups activated, then as a default, it will be sent to all participants. You click Add a New Topic. Subject, so I'm just going to put week 4 greetings. Oops. And for the message, I'm just going to copy and paste one that I have. You can either do it on Word or you can type it directly into the box. If you are pasting in the box, you need to use the shortcut keys on the keyboard. So you're going to be, if it's a Windows machine you're using, you're going to be pressing Control V, or if it's a Mac, you press Command V. So I have my message there. And pretty much you can attach attachments if you like. Now the only other thing that I want to show you all here is that you can also send messages that the students won't see immediately. And if that's something you want to do, you can click the enable box and then decide by what time you want this message to be displayed, so the date and the time, and when you want it to end. In this case, I want to post the announcement right away, so I'm not going to use this feature, but if you want, you can. Just click enable, and remember that Moodle is using a 24-hour clock, so 5 is 5 a.m. and then after this, like for instance 13 will be 1 p.m. and you go down the line. So that's one thing you can do. Alright, so I'm just going to remove that and I click post to forum. And there it is, it's in the forums. The students will see it right away. Alright, so there's the message there. So please, teachers, use the announcements forum. When we are doing the auditing process, we are going to be looking at the activity in that forum. We want to see that teachers are engaging students at least once a week using this forum. So it's very important that you use this forum at least on a weekly basis. All right, so my name is Jason Matthew. Once again, I'm the coordinator of the IDDU at USC. If you have any questions, send me an email. Take care, everyone.